fast cause the Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can't see no less. That wig secure.
Hey lovely berries, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Audri Loveberry. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Why? Because we're lit over here. Reviews, fashion hauls, clothing hauls, same thing, but you know what I'm trying to say. Cooking, lifestyle, vlogs. Come on, we're lit over here. Again, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, make sure you like and comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. Thank you for commenting and liking. Make sure those notifications are on. Go ahead and follow me on my social medias. Go ahead and comment, y'all. Say hey, say hello. I comment back, I like. Let's get into this video, y'all. It's all about these beautiful Kiss nails. Hey lovely berries, so we are going to be doing the VOGUISH fantasy nails. I got this from my local beauty supply store. You can get these from Target, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, pretty much any store that sells more than just food. You can pretty much get your nails from. But we are going to start with, I'll show you how it looks. It comes with glue. A nail file and pick, and also some stickies just in case you don't want to use the glue. I use the glue because it works better for me. On the box it says it lasts up to 7 days. It does last up to 7 days. I have worn them sometimes for 2 weeks as well, just by applying more glue when they fall off. So it's really, you can really have them on for 2 weeks if you just keep the glue with you in your purse and take them out when you need to, just in case. Sometimes you lose the nail and you don't know where you lost it at, and then at that point, if you can't find the size, another size for you, because it comes with more than just 10 sets of nails, so you can wear this more than once. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to file my nails down, all of them, so the glue can adhere better. Then I'm going to push my nail beds back so I can make sure that I got the nail on there nice and good. Once all that is done, I'm going to size all of the nails to make sure they fit before applying them. I like to lay them out in front of me, and then we get to work and we start applying the nails. Usually I do my right and then my left, but no, I do my left and then my right. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.
if I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me? What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking.
One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Hey, Loveberry. So my camera shut off on me, ran out of storage, but this is the final result. Very cute, effortless, $8.99. Got this at your local beauty supply. You can get them at Target, Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Food Lion, and your hair stores. So again, $8.99. The prices do range differently at different places. I don't believe I've seen them any higher than $8.99, but effortless. It beats going to the nail salon. So thanks for watching. Stay sweet, lovely berries, and maybe a little sour. Make sure you subscribe if you're a new subscriber. Make sure you comment and like. Turn on those notification button. All right, bye.
What's up? Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get